Hi everyone, I've got a table here of classes and teachers' names. Now I'll demonstrate how to use the VLOOKUP function, which is useful if I want to get a particular answer from that table. So let's say for instance I enter the value the class 8A and I want Excel to find the teacher's name and put this in this cell here. I use the VLOOKUP function. So vertical lookup. Now it says here, what's the lookup value? It's stored here. What's the table containing the information? It's there. Now I'm going to press the F4 key to put the dollar signs. That's so that if I copy this formula down, it'll still be pointing at that table. Then the column index number, that's column 2. We want the answer to come from column 2. And finally, do we want this to be approximate or exact? We want it to be exact. So we put the word false. And we can see here that Excel has gone down the list until it found 8A and returned the name Flynn from the second column. I can change that to 7B. And it updates the teacher's name to Mary. If I wanted to keep going, if I wanted to put 8C below, I could copy that formula down and it works just fine because the table hasn't moved. If I just look into that one for a moment, sorry, it's updated the reference to E4 when I copied down for the lookup value, but it hasn't altered the table. That's how we use the VLOOKUP function. Thanks for watching.